What's up guys, Romsco here, back with another video, and today we're reviewing the Motospeed CK101. Inside the box we have the keyboard guide, removable micro USB cable, crappy keycap holder, and of course the keyboard. The layout is pretty ordinary, just a regular 10 keyless mechanical keyboard with an exposed layout. On the top is where you insert the micro USB cable, and on the back we only have two anti-vibration pads, and on the top corners we have a little plastic wedge that's in place instead of kickstand feet. You can see it better on the side view. Unlike most keyboards, the CK101 has a peculiar design. They cut a lot of the base material to give this fake kickstand position, but actually it's the same position as a flat keyboard. Still ergonomically comfortable, but the fact that there's no kickstand feet kinda sucks, and those wedges should have been anti-vibration pads instead. As for the keycaps, they're fairly basic. It's the half textured, half smooth keycaps that we've all come to expect on all cheap mechanical keyboards, and they're partly double injection keycaps, so lighting does shine out of it pretty well. But as you can see, the manufacturer decided to save some money and print on the second functions of some keys, such as the F1 to F12, the numbers, as well as the lighting effect functions. As for the switches, this keyboard is available in both Otemu Blues or Otemu Reds, and this is the red version with properties of MX Red switches. But if there's one word I'd describe the typing experience, that'd be scratchy. The one thing that surprised me about this keyboard is the backlighting. It has all the same lighting effects as other China keyboards, but has a few more effects with a little bit of uniqueness to them. For the basic functions, it's all the same. Almost every effect has 7 colors and a rainbow profile. You can change the speed, brightness, direction, and make custom profiles. The CK101 has interesting effects like zigzag, raindrop, circle wave, and this stupid second static effect that just has a fancy transition, but it's still static mode. The craziest effect on this keyboard would definitely be the starlight effect. You first have regular starlight, then a frickin' rave party, then starlight on top of the rave party, and it's pretty ridiculous. Keep in mind, this keyboard is only $40 and it has this kind of variety in its backlighting. For $40, you're getting great backlighting, mechanical switches despite them being cheap Otemu ones, a removable cable, decent build quality, and I think that's just amazing for your wallet. The only two complaints I have for this keyboard is the fact that it doesn't have anti-vibration pads on each corner and it doesn't have kickstand feet, as well as the switches being too scratchy for my taste and pretty clunky sounding. But a pack of sound dampeners would definitely do the trick to fix it. Well, that's my full review of it. If you're interested, links are in the description if you want to buy it. China keyboards have really come a long way, even though they're still somewhat far from premium tier keyboards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.